Frontier LLMs are the cheapest way to validate a narrow machine learning feature in your product. Pre-LLM, shipping an ML-backed feature meant about 6 months of data collection, labeling, training, evaluation, retraining, all before you even knew that anyone actually wanted that feature at all. But post-LLM, it's a prompt and a weekend, and your feature is ready to test. That's a huge change. LLMs allow you to quickly validate an intelligent feature and find out if it's truly useful for users before investing in building the dataset and training the model. In my podcasting app, Podtastic, I've used an LLM to shortcut topic classification and a few other features. Now the app's growing fast, I'm already planning to throw away that code in the next 12 months and train a series of narrow models to solve the specific use cases efficiently. Why? There's 4 key reasons. 1, self-sovereignty. I don't want my product's core intelligent features depending on a pricing decision at a company I don't work for or control, and from all the press I've seen is charging under cost for the API already. 2, privacy. Topic classification isn't personally identifiable information or anything, but sending user data in general to a third party when you could do that work on phone without a network call is just a no-brainer. 3, cost at scale. A model like Claude's Haiku is pretty cheap, but for the quality I need on a lot of tasks, I'm using a Sonnet class model. Multiply the cost of that by users, then episodes, then chunks per episode, and the costs do add up fast. 4, overall efficiency. Using a model with trillions of parameters that can translate hundreds of languages, pass the bar exam, build an entire web app in a few hours to do basic text style classification tasks is just overkill in the long run. There's no way to get around it. A narrowly trained model will always be more efficient for this task. I suppose overall what I'm saying is I want to build the best version of the feature long term once I've validated that it's useful, not the easiest one to ship. Another awesome side effect of this approach is that it solves the dataset labeling problem for you as well. By bootstrapping a smart feature using LLM and getting it to hundreds or thousands of users, you can get your users to do the data labeling for you. In the Podtastic app, this means that occasionally some of our users will receive a little pop-up asking them to rate the quality of the intelligent feature. Over time, as we build up more and more votes, we can get a clear signal of what works and what didn't, and then that becomes the training data for the narrow model. This is an excerpt from my blog post on benboller.com. Subscribe by email to receive weekly posts on AI and building products in the AI era.